But it isn't quite that simple, because if we look back over this 20-year period, for every ad in which Dove talked about the joys of curvy thighs and bigger bums and promoting its brand, there were also more standard ads that promoted the Dove product using a much more traditional approach to products and benefits. And for every TV ad that pushed this idea that the beauty industry was demonstrably harming women's self-identity, there were much more standard campaigns that really came straight from the Unilever playbook. For example, this ad from 2007.
Okay, so you use Ivory. Let's put their most popular bar to the test against Dove Bar. First, I have to wet the bars with warm water, just like a shower. Now I'm going to test the bars using these test papers, which were designed to behave like the surface of your skin. If this doesn't convince you, I don't know what will. So, I bet you want to try out the Dove bar now, right?
What you're seeing here is what the Dove team called their dual communications model. On the one hand, there was the focus on the Dove master brand, on the other, on simply their products within the category. On the one hand, there was the attempt to make their point of view and their mission famous. On the other, the attempt to leverage and apply that mission and that point of view to the actual products themselves. On the one hand, there was a strong emotional connection. On the other, there was good old-fashioned persuasion. And on the one hand, there was a specific goal of achieving cultural impact and resonance. On the other, there was much more standard mental availability and salience for their products. What you're seeing is essentially a two-speed model of communications effectiveness. And we know it works because in 2008, Dove lost confidence. They started to think that spending so much money on longer-term brand-building activity was probably not the best for ROI. But when they did that, sales began to flatten. And when later they brought Nielsen in, the Nielsen analysts confirmed that for every dollar they were spending on that master brand campaign, not necessarily promoting products, but promoting the brand, it was delivering more than $4 in incremental revenue. The point is there's a synergy here between these two different aspects of Dove's success. And